This is Ankita from TrackOlap. This video is regarding the functionality of the Google Sheet integration, that is, how it works and how it helps our customers to get the data in real time. First of all, I will explain you how we do the integration with the Google Sheet. For that, the customer has to log in the TrackWeek with his admin account. Here, he will see the two tabs, connections and automations. The first step is to create the connection with the Google spreadsheet. To create the connection, let's add a new channel here. Give the name to the channel, that is the Google integration, and select the connection type. It's a Google spreadsheet or Gmail, and create the channel here. Now the channel is created successfully. Now the next step is I have to connect my TrackWeek account with my Google account. For that, the customer has to log in the Google account first. I've already logged in, so let's connect with the Google account. Yeah. Now choose the account through which you want to integrate. And after choosing the account, the traffic wants to access your Google account. Allow the permissions. And after allowing all the permissions, the connection was built successfully. And if you want to disconnect the connection, you can also disconnect it by clicking on this disconnect button. Now let's move forward to the next tab, that is the automations. Here, what should the customer do? He should create the trigger of the task complete. Whenever any task is completed by the employee, the trigger will call and a separate row will create automatically in the integrated Google Sheet. So let's create a trigger. Here, give the trigger name, that is the task completed, and select the automation type, that is trigger, and select the trigger task completed. Select the form here, like on which form you want to call the trigger, and select the action here. After selecting the action, the traffic will ask you to choose the channel. This is the channel that we have created in the first tab in the connections, and select the channel here. And after selecting the channel, all the Google spreadsheets creating in the Google account that is connected with this channel will come in the list. Select the Google sheet that you want to integrate, and then the next step is select the sheet name here. All the sheets that are created under this spreadsheet will come here. I have created the two sheets, so let's select the sheet 1 and let's create the trigger. Now my trigger is completed successfully, and but the status is still disabled. To enable it, I have to change the status and update it. Now the trigger is active, and whenever the employee completes the task on this task form, a separate entry will automatically created in this Google spreadsheet. And the one more thing here, the customer can also manage the sheet data by clicking on this manage sheet data. Here what we do the mappings of the column with our task entities. It's the mappings of the columns are completely in the customer hand. He can change the mappings, or if he want to remove any column, he can remove it, and if he want to add more columns, he can add more columns in the sheet. So let's update it. And yes, our integration, our trigger is created successfully. Now I will show you how it works. Let's complete a task on employee first. Here is the one task pending on the task form that we have integrated. Let's start the task and complete it. Yeah, my task is completed, and this is the Google sheet that we have integrated. Yeah, this is the sheet that we have integrated right now. We have selected the sheet one, so a separate row will create in the sheet one, and in the sheet row, no data is there. So that's how our Google integration works, and how this is useful to our customers. The customers do not have to export the data in the Excel sheet and import it in the Google sheet. The data will automatically created, and yes, the customer can analyze and track the data in real time. So this is all about the Google Sheet integration functionality. Thank you so much.